When I was younger, I used to take dance class. I know, right? It's hard to believe. I mean, I can't dance if my life depended on it. But I did take dance class when I was younger. I took jazz and ballet and tap, I'm pretty sure. But when I was younger, I always wanted to get point shoes because those shoes had ribbons. Now, I wouldn't say it's unusual for a little girl who is doing ballet or obsessed with ballet would want to have point shoes, because that's pretty much what a lot of dancers would want, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I wanted those ribbons, but newsflash, that didn't happen. I quit when things went too hard for me. You know, today's gonna change. I'm finally gonna get laces on my ballet slippers because I don't have point shoes. Before that, I would just like to give you guys like a ballet slipper review, because the Sukin ballet slippers, they one of the laces kind of broke, so I can't use them anymore. I had to buy new ones. So let me introduce you to some other new cheap and new ballet slippers from this bag. It's these, and they're L runs. So they come in multiple colors, and I got pink, so this is like the back of it. And it feels way more secure than the Sukins. And as you see, there's a sticker, so I'm just gonna try to remove that. Alright, I'm just gonna give up with that. The sticker's not going off. It's literally stuck in there. But yeah, these are way more thicker than the Sukins. The insides of them, which is this, as you see, this thing is still like, it still does this just like Sukins. So, but they feel like texturized, more comfortable. Right here are the laces, and just like Sukins, they come with 2 bands. So yeah, I'm just gonna try them on now. So this is what the shoe looks like when you have not tightened the laces yet. And as you see, it feels pretty snug. And yeah, the size is great. I would have to recheck what size I ordered, because I forgot if this runs a size bigger or smaller. But yeah, I will comment that down below of what size I got. Trust me, guys. But yeah, now I'm gonna tighten these up. Sorry for the mess in the background, guys. I am currently reorganizing my room. Overall, these are pretty good slippers. They're more comfortable than the Sukins in my opinion, and they're really good if you're looking for some cheap ballet slippers like me. Anyways, let's get back to the video. I was talking about how I am gonna give my ballet slippers some ribbons, and the only way I can do that is if I actually get some ribbons. So these are pretty cheap. They're All for Dance stretch ribbons, and they're pretty long, and they're stretchy according to Amazon. If you want to buy any of these products, links to them will be in the description below. I'm gonna give you guys a tutorial on how to do that. So first, I'm gonna use some pink thread because we have to sew this on. And I'm also gonna use a needle because I can't sew without it. By the way, you're going to need some sewing skills, like at least a little bit of sewing skills. Like, I'm not a sewing master, to be honest, but you want to learn how to sew before you do this, because sewing can be dangerous. And if you're too young to do this on your own, have adult supervision. Yeah, let me open this up now with a pair of scissors. And wow, this is cool. I've never touched something like this before. So I found a lot of like tutorials on how to sew ribbons on point shoes, and what they say is cut it in half. So you want to make sure these are even and cut those in half. Then you would want to not let go of them, but fold them again and put them like this and cut that. So now you should have like 4 pieces of ribbons. Okay, so this is where the sewing actually starts. So first you would want to make sure you know where to put these ribbons at. What I'm going to plan to do is put the ribbons right back here. Mark the spot if you have to. I'm not marking it because I have no pen, so yeah, this tutorial probably sucks. But yeah, now you just want to place the ribbon to your spot and start sewing. So I'm just gonna cut this and I'll come back to you to show you how it should look like. Alright, so I just finished sewing it on, and as you see, it's pretty secured in. And yeah, it should look something like this. It doesn't have to be a particular pattern. You just need to learn how to, you just need to know how to sew, and you should be good on this because no one's gonna look on the inside that much. The outside of the shoe is pretty much what matters because it's kind of like sneakers. No one looks inside your sneakers. When someone says, oh, I like your shoes, they're looking on the outside, not the inside. And yeah, just continue doing that for the next 3 ribbons you have. As you guys see, I finished sewing everything. And now what you can do is tie the ribbons on. And yeah, that's how you sew ribbons on your ballet slippers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I said this before, but as you guys know, I am not a dancer, so if you're a dancer, please do not be rough in the comments. And yeah, that's the video. Cheerio.